Fenugreek and green tea have been researched for their potential health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of these seeds. 1. Asthma, diabetes, high blood pressure. Green tea and fenugreek seeds may help manage these conditions. 2. Osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, seizures, epilepsy. Green tea and fenugreek seeds may help manage these conditions. 3. Hepatitis, liver diseases, kidney diseases. Green tea and fenugreek seeds may help manage these conditions. 4. Eczema, in thyroid, autoimmune thyroiditis, in stomach ulcers caused by Helicobacter pylori, congestion. Green tea and fenugreek seeds may help manage these conditions. 5. In fever, cough, viral flu, headache. Green tea and fenugreek seeds may help manage these conditions. 6. Digestive problems, including intestinal gas and diarrhea. Green tea and fenugreek seeds may help manage these conditions.